On today's video, I want to show you how to play the gospel walk-up as well as a variation. The gospel walk-up sounds like this. It happens at the end of a quartet song, and it's basically like a blues turnaround. So the basic gospel walk-up sounds like this. It's the 1 chord, and then the 4 chord, then a diminished chord, then the 1 dominant. That's great, but I want to give you options. I want you to have some variations in your back pocket in case you don't want to play that 10 million times. Here is a variation of what you can play. Ooh, so basically you're hanging on that A chord. It's an A cowboy chord. You slide it up a half step. But in context, it would sound like this. Right, so it's acting as a passing chord. So it's not actually the case that we're staying on that ugly chord so long. If you're curious about the form of a gospel quartet song, you can check out this video. If you want to learn more about quartet or gospel guitar, check out one of these 2 videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you very soon.